do it. We're going to the Cauldron.
We're gonna do it.
We're doing it.
We're gonna do some magic.
Not with these, but these will make us alive to do magic after a long day of exploring.
All right, we're headed to the Cauldron, but we got here a little bit early. The guy at the door gave us a code to get into the speakeasy down the street and a free drink, so we're gonna go do that first. Woo! So excited. I mean, we're going to be magical, which is what I was always born to do anyways. So pretty much me in my natural habitat.
That's it. Oh, you know.
I'm old enough to know what this is.
Enjoy. Enjoy your drinks.
Magic, it's dangerous. Be very careful with this wand.
It'll cost you.
It'll cost you hefty prices.
Fireball whiskey, get you every time.
Oh. How's that for some magic?
Tonight we were in London and we were looking for something to do. So we did a quick Google search of unique bars in the area.
We ended up at the Cauldron, which is a magical little place. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's so much fun.
It's £30 per person